267. And tell us about yesterday's qualifying, mate. I did go out and capture a few of your passes, mate.
It would have been nice if you got a few more. So basically, we went out yesterday, qualified 5th.
Okay, here we go. John's second qualifying.
We ended up qualifying 5th overall. I think we were 3rd yesterday. We dropped a valve, went through the piston, caused some grief, broke some rocker gear, rocker shafts and things like that, a few damaged push rods, and unfortunately it was enough damage to put us out for the meeting. We also tested on Thursday and sheared the flex plate off at the crank. So we were clearly not meant to win this Westernationals.
How hard is it to succeed in drag racing, mate?
Oh, like it's pretty hard. We have had some really great times, and then obviously like this weekend you put so much effort into coming down here and doing everything you can to take the Australian record and go all the way to the final, and you just get throwing curveballs that put a spanner in the works, and she's all over before it begun. So look, the good times are really good, and we do have an okay run, but obviously you get into competition and everyone's running to Australian records and things like that, and it does get difficult. It's hard to win. It's just straight out hard to win.
How hard is it to succeed in drag racing, mate?
Well, I've done it, so mustn't be that hard.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
Honestly, what's the hardest thing about drag racing?
Money. If you got the support, sponsors and people to back you, then yeah, you can go as far as you want. But when that all dries up, then it's all over, sort of thing.
It's all out of your own pocket, isn't it?
Yeah, which you can't do. You can't live and do it out of your own pocket unless you've got a big company or something like that. So.
Yep.
I think you could probably ask every single person here. It's pretty challenging. Nothing comes easy, but as they say, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. So it takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication. I think the lead up just to this meeting, you know, I work 14-hour days and then coming home and working on the car till 9:30 every night of the week and the lead up to this week. So it's, yeah, it takes a lot of time.
Depending what class you want to pick. There's a lot of classes you can buy a lot of stuff. There's a lot of classes you can make your own parts. Superstock's pretty good for that. So you can buy it also. But keep your head down and butt up, and it's not easy. No, definitely not easy.
Here we go, last qualifier for the night. Oh, strong burnout. Sad to see you, mate.
Yeah, looks
Yep.
like our weekend just come to an end,
Yep.
which is a crying shame because the car hooked up a little bit better on the last launch.
Yep.
But I've been crook. My son's in bed. I'm afraid the weekend's over for us.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't know what we got, but we picked something up.
Yep. So a few positive things from the weekend with the car.
I think with all the new things that are on the car,
Yep.
so many things to learn. Yeah, we definitely made a lot of learning progress. Maybe not in performance, but directions that we need to take, definitely, yeah.
Yep.
But still, even over 3 runs and we only got 1 full pass in, we learned a lot out of that, yeah.
Yep. And you'll be back for the next round at the Motorplex?
Oh, definitely, and
Yep.
fix all the things we got to fix.
Yep. So this was pretty much a tune meeting for you, wasn't it?
Well,
with all the
no,
new things with the car? Or?
I wanted to win.
That's the
If
attitude.
my son's going to take over driving, I wanted to get 1 more Christmas tree.
Yep.
Gold one. So it's a bit annoying that we're sick, but when you're crook and you're stuffing up because of it,
Yep.
I think you've got to make a call.
Yep.
You can't go on.
Yep. And who do you have to thank for the weekend?
My whole crew, Tony, Adrian, my son,
Yep.
Jason, just everybody that's here, it's much appreciated. You get such a good sort of belonging here. It's pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah, my wife also, and the sponsors, yeah, definitely help. As it stands now, I'm off to bed.
Yep, no worries, mate. Thanks
Yeah.
for having a little interview before you head off, and
Okay.
get better, mate. And I'll see you at the next round at the Perth
Okay.
Motorplex.
Thank you.
Thanks, bro. Here we go, final qualifying pass. Come on, 882. What's one thing you love about the Perth Motorplex, but one thing you think they can improve on?
No comment.
One thing they can improve on?
No comment. I don't want to say the wrong thing. That's it.
What do you love about the Motorplex?
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
The cars, the people, the environment. It's a bloody great place.
If drag racing really wanted to go ahead, you've got to get to people that don't know that drag racing's on. And every second person I would talk to after a meeting didn't know it was on. And 1 out of every 5 probably would have turned up if they knew it was on. Even though it's on Facebook and bits and pieces, but it's only on the things that you watch that are relevant to the sport, not something that's out of the circle that they may want to become involved in, but don't know about it. A lot of people don't even know we have this little suburb in our south.
Yep. And it's a world-class facility too.
It's a world class,
Yeah.
probably better than a lot of the American ones that are pretty well
Yep.
chock-a-block. Yeah.
Well, they've come over here and actually stated that it's in their top 3 tracks in the world.
That's pretty
Yeah.
good, isn't it?
Yeah.
For WA Perth.
It is, mate. Yep.
Yeah, that's heaven.
Yep.
We're very lucky. Yeah.
Phew, crikey. Well, obviously the Motorplex is a beautiful place. I love the grass. Sometimes they put us on the bitumen and we get all devastated, and everyone else wants to be on the bitumen and we want to be on the grass. So I guess the grass at the Motorplex is very nice.
Yep. Gets you off the heat.
Yeah, it does. It cools things down. You can roll around on it. You can walk around with no shoes on, and every now and then you'll get a little bit of something in your foot. But no, look, it's a really nice place. Improvement-wise, I mean, it is a good venue, and it's managed well. Everyone's pretty good about everything. Improvement-wise, I couldn't really pick on the place too much, to be perfectly honest with you.
Yeah, the 2 famous Michaels of sport, mate, that being Michael Schumacher and Michael Jordan. they both had superstitious routines. Jordan Bean, he wore his blue university shorts under his Chicago Bulls shorts, which actually started a trend.
Yep.
And Schumacher had a toy hairbrush that his daughter gave him and a lucky charm that his wife gave him that he kept in his race suit, mate, like what you wear.
Yep.
Do you have any superstition routines?
Yep, I put my left glove on first. Yeah, always put the left glove on first. I don't know why, just done it and stuck with it. So yeah, left glove always goes on first.
I tend to like to put my right glove on first. I almost put my left glove on that time.
Yeah.
I thought, no, I stopped and took it off and put my right glove back on first.
Yeah, love it, mate.
That's one I've got, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, try and do that if I can. Maybe I'll stuff up here and there, but I'm pretty sure that's every time.
Yep.
Yeah.
Have you got any superstitious routines that you do?
Sometimes, yes.
Yeah.
Just little things though.
Little things, yeah.
Yeah, like, you know, certain colours. Green's bad luck, they say. Certain things, you know. If we've done it one way before and we won, we'll have to do it the same way.
Yep.
Just because we did it like that before. Certain, like the race suit I wore it just for once and we won with it, so I have to use it all the time. Just things like that. Yeah.
No matter the degradation you get.
Even if it's got holes in it, we'll still run it because we won with it. So
Yeah.
that's it.
And you've got a hat as well, mate. I've seen that hat before.
The old Bunnings hat.
Nah, the cowboy looking one.
I've got two special hats.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to see them?
Yeah, you go on,
I'll go
mate.
get my hat.
That's your lucky hat, mate.
My lucky hat. We won with it once before, so have to wear it.
Yep.
I did in the early days probably, but I've chosen to try and steer away from them. Now you're probably going to ask me what they were, and it was just little things like they would write a little note on my dashboard for me and I'd read it every run. So it probably wasn't really specifically anything that I changed other than just other people changed it. But no, I don't have a famous pair of skid mark jocks or socks or anything like that. So I do have a pretty beautiful set of race boots that I'm struggling to part with that I need to 100 mile an hour tape the soles up every meeting because I'm too tight to buy a new pair. So we could call my boots superstitious, I guess.
What do you think about when you're alone in your car?
Serenity. Where the speed cameras are.
I usually think, where am I supposed to be? Like, what child have I forgotten to pick out?
My kids and my partner Danny.
I swear, get your effort act together. Get this car down the track on full throttle.
Sleep. I'll say sleep too, actually.
The Christmas tree, staging, basically my focus if it's eliminations is just my sequence when I get to the Christmas tree. Everything else I'm pretty okay with. If it's qualifying, I won't really be focusing on the tree so much, but if it's eliminations, all I'm really focusing on is reaction time.
Right. Alone in a car.
Yeah, when you're alone in the car, what do you
Holding
think?
it flat.
Okay, you're on a deserted island and all your human needs are taken care of. Food, water, etc. What one item would you choose to live out the rest of your days?
Couldn't be money because everything's there. Don't forget makeup and perfume.
That makeup and perfume.
There you go.
Hairdryer. Hair straightener.
My wife.
Probably my wife.
Beer.
Electricity.
Books.
Audio books, I'd say. Oh, I'm done. I've got my food, I've got my water. I'm done.
One item? No items in here?
One item. Probably my phone.
pulled a 000 on that one, so she was definitely after it.
Who do you have round one?
Daryl Treasure,
Yep.
which is going to be a difficult round, but if we can get through this one.
What's your personal opinion on garden gnomes?